Are you tired of playing subscription roulette every month? You know, the game where you look at your bank statement and wonder, what exactly is streaming service C, and when did I even sign up for it? You're not alone. It's so easy to get caught up in free trials and special offers, and before you know it, you're paying for 3 different streaming platforms you barely use. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, elegant solution that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration? That solution is an app called Rocket Money. Rocket Money is a financial tool that connects to your bank accounts and automatically finds all of your recurring subscriptions. It pulls all those sneaky charges into one clean, organized list, so you can see exactly where your money is going. And here's where it gets really good. With Rocket Money's premium service, you don't even have to lift a finger to cancel those unwanted subscriptions. Once you've identified a service you want to get rid of, you simply tap a button in the app. Rocket Money takes it from there. It acts as your personal concierge, contacting the company on your behalf to get the subscription canceled. No more navigating confusing websites, no more waiting on hold with customer service, and no more awkward cancellation conversations. You just tell the app what to do, and it gets it done. This isn't just about saving a few bucks here and there, it's about taking back control of your finances and eliminating the mental clutter of forgotten subscriptions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.